V. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Z. Y is for yellow. Yeah. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?